So many people get this wrong, so today we're going to talk about how to tag your YouTube videos better. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. YouTube is all about how well you get seen in search. Well, it is if you're a small YouTuber. You need to get your name out there. You need to be found first to win those subscribers, to build your audience. And the way for you to be found is through decent optimization. And one of those is tagging your videos properly. Now, before I deep dive into how to tag videos better, I want to know, how do you tag your videos? Do you do it on your own? Do you use your own brains? Do you use a tool? Do you respin anything that's in the description? Or have you watched one of my videos such as 3 levels of YouTube tag, which is up here, and you've kind of been inspired by that? Please leave a comment down below. I've been asked countless times by many YouTubers, like, my videos can't be seen. How people aren't searching, people aren't finding me. How do people find me? Alan, help me, I'm doing everything I can. And then I look at their videos and they're using single words, they've only used 3 tags, and none of the words are actually any of the words that are in the title or the description, and it doesn't describe anything about the video. And at this point, I take a deep breath and I try not to shout at them. Don't get me wrong, I always know that you have to learn. You have to learn how to tag your videos better. I get that. Right? But if you're telling me you've done everything and you're only using 3 tags, you've not done everything. So a few things to consider. 1, have a look at the video in itself. Have a look at its title, its descriptions, and then you can start writing its tags. What is the video about? Make sure that you're making a title that is searchable for that, and that it uses a keyword or 2. So for example, this video is about how to tag your videos better. So the keywords I'll be looking for is tag your videos, YouTube videos, tag YouTube videos. Those are keywords. They're also tags for it. So 2, have a look at your title, have a look at your description. You use the keywords that are in the title for your tags. This links them together. That way, that tag is related to the title and the description, and YouTube knows that it is relevant and then ranks you better for that tag because it's been mentioned a few times. So 3, use more than 1 word. Make sure it's a key phrase. So it's not just YouTube video tags, it's YouTube video tags. Better YouTube video tags. How to tag YouTube videos. The reason for this is they are longer key phrases. I don't know why I'm looking at it as if it's there. They are longer phrases which help you rank better in less competitive niches. Don't get me wrong, videos and tags, fantastic. You'll get a load of traffic, but you are fighting millions, maybe billions of other videos that are related to that tag. How to tag a YouTube video. You've searched to find me. It's very relevant, it's longer and easier for me to rank for. Not mega easy, but easier than YouTube tags or tags. And 4, keep them relevant. Don't add other creators' names unless you would directly mention them in the video, the description and the title. Okay? Keep them relevant, keep them niche around it, and respin them. I also suggest something like TubeBuddy. There is a link here. Use the code ALANSBuddy for 20% off. It's a free install plugin, but if you upgrade, you get many more features and bonus discounted code. Because basically what you can do is you can put in your title and your relevant tags. So for example, how to tag better, how to tag YouTube videos. You click on the little magnifying lens and it will then search for relevant keywords and key tags. It works for absolutely any tag. So you could do the same with, I don't know, how to music, how to art, etc. Right? And it will pad them out and you can pick selections and words and put them into your tags as well. At the end of the day, there's 500 characters for your tags. Make sure you use them all. Don't stuff them with other people, right? And try and use more than 1 word at a time. Key phrases, not keyword. And if you're running out of space and you want to put in YouTube or video as a single word, that's fine. Use the ones that are related to the video. So if you're talking about, I don't know, Fortnite or PUBG, then obviously Fortnite and PUBG, fine. But if you want more in-depth tips on how to optimize your YouTube videos and how to rank even better, I've done a playlist up here. But that's how you tag your YouTube videos better. For more tricks and tips, there's a free PDF up here in the description down below. Hit that notification icon so you are alerted every time I upload a video immediately. Hit that subscribe button so you get more YouTube tricks and tips videos. Go up there, start creating.